Good day, my name is RB Bilangel, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today I will show you the 5 standard cuts of whole dressed chicken. But before we proceed, let me show you how to sharpen my knife using my honey steel in 45 degrees angle. Now let's proceed to cuttings. These are the different parts of whole dressed chicken: drumstick, thigh part, wings, breast, and backbone. That's all. Thank you.